Dear student, our next topic related to this chapter, that is set theory. So this part is your set theory part 4. In this part, our topic will be, I will explain you regarding the subset and superset, universal set, complement of a set, complement of a set, proper subset, or you can say proper set, etc. So your first topic is your subset. So your first question is, what is a subset? What is a subset? Okay. If here the definition is, if all elements of set A, must belongs to set B. Suppose there are two sets A and B. If all elements of set A belongs to set B, then set A is said to be the subset of set. Then set A is said to be the subset of set B. Or you can say, if all elements of set A belongs to set B, then set A is the subset of set B. Okay, clear? So that it is denoted by the symbol. This much of symbol you have to write. This symbol means subset. So here A is a subset of B. Or you can write set A is a subset of set B. You can write in this way also. Clear? So A is a subset of set B. Suppose if all element of B contained in set A, so that means B is a subset of set A. Clear? So here there are few properties that you must keep in mind, that these are the properties of your subset. The set itself is a subset of every set. That means set itself is a subset of every set. Suppose in example, say set A equal under curly braces 1, 2, 3. Then subset of A is also 1, 2, 3. That you have to write in curly braces. So that means set itself is also a subset of every set. Number 2 is null set, or you can say empty set. Null set, that is symbolized as your phi. Null set or empty set, here it is or empty set is a subset of every set. So the set itself is a subset of every set, and null set is also a subset of every set. Apart from these two, all elements, set containing all the elements, are also the subset of the given set. Okay. The third one is your all elements, the set of all elements are also subset of every set. So this is your point number 3. Point number 4 is, suppose if A is a subset of B, and say B is also a subset of A. So that means if A is a subset of B and D is also a subset of A, that means set A, then set A must be equal to set B. Clear? Clear? Okay. Now number of subset. How many subset are there? Number of subset can be determined. Number of subset can be determined by the formula 2 to the power n, where n is number of element of the set. Okay, if n is the number of element of a given set, then number of subsets so produced will be 2 to the power n. Let us see one example. Suppose given E equal say 4, 8, 12, 16. So this, say not 16, we can say, let us see that 4, 8 and 12 are the 3 members of set A. So here n equal your 3. Number of element is only 3. So therefore number of subset will be equal 2 to the power 3 means 8. 2 to the power 3 means 8. 2 into 2 into 2. So that means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So there are 8 number of subset. Then if we are asked that write all the subset, therefore total number of subset will be 8. Therefore the subsets are, you know that your first is your null set. Null set is a subset, or you can write either this symbol you can use, or you can write only an empty. Keep empty space in between the two curly braces. Empty set is a subset of every set. Another is say set of element 4, set of element 8, set of element 12. When individual elements are taken individually, again you can take 2 elements together, say 4, 8. Again you can see 8, 12. Again you can write 4, 12. And the set itself, that is 4, 8 and 12. Now you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are altogether 8 subsets are there. So this is all about subset. Now your next topic will be, I have to remove it. Now our next topic is your proper subset. Clear? Proper subset. The set A is said to be proper subset of set B. So if number one, all the element of set A must contained in set B. This is your must contain in set B. Okay. So all elements of set A contained in set B. Number 2, there exists at least one element there exists at least one element in B which does not contain in A. So that means B might have the number of elements more than that of your A. Let us see one example, and this proper subset, it is denoted by the symbol simply this, without any line below it. That means say A is a subset of B. A is a proper subset of B. You have not put the line just below it. Clear? So let us see an example. Say given is your say 1, 2, 3. A is your 1, 2, 3 and B is your say 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is clear that there are 4 and 5 which are not in A. So that means here A is a proper subset of B. Clear? Because there are at least more than one element are there. But our target is to at least one element. Here 2 elements is more in B. Clear? Okay. Now number of proper subset. Number of proper subset can be determined by the formula. Number of proper subset can be determined 2 to the power n minus 1. Because set A is the proper subset of set B. So you see A has less number of subset. Clear? So this is 2 to the power minus 1. So in this case, if you will see, suppose one example you say, suppose your A is your 1, 2 and 3. Find number of proper subset. Number of proper subset. So number of here your solution is given E is your 1, 2 and 3 and n equal here 3 because there are 3 elements. Therefore number of proper subset is your 2 to the power 3 minus 1 means 8 minus 1 equal your 7. Only 7 subsets are there which are proper subsets. So proper subsets are, if you will say proper subsets are, except your set itself is a subset of every set, so you just delete your set itself. So your first set is your null set, second is your 1, third is your 2, fourth, first, second, third, fourth is your 3. Again 2 element together, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the 7 proper subset. Clear? Okay, for next topic I have to remove it. So now your next topic is your superset. Superset. Okay. So if all elements of set A contained in set B if all elements of set A contained in set B and at least one more element and at least one or one more element present in B, then set B is superset of A. Then set B is your superset of A, because here you see that and it is denoted by this symbol, just opposite, laterally inverted of your subset. This is your superset. Say let us take an example. This is your 1, 2, 3 and say B is your 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then definitely B is a superset of set A. We can read it as your B is a superset of set A. Clear? Now again I have to remove it. Now our target is, okay, clear? Now universal set. Universal set. If all the sets under consideration is the subset of a set, if all the element under consideration as its subset, as the subset of now our target is to explain you about universal set. Okay, if as far as the universal set is concerned, it is a set which contain all the sets under consideration. It is the set which contain all the sets under consideration. Clear? Is said to be universal set. It is denoted by the symbol xi, pxi, or you can say big U. That is also denoted by your universal set. So that means all these sets must contain in the universal set. So clear? Now complement of a set. Complement of a set. In these topics, a set which have the elements, complement of a set which have the elements other than the given set a set which have the elements other than the given set. Okay, or you can say the remaining elements of the universal set. A set which have the elements other than the given set but contain in the universal set is the complement of the given set. Is the complement of the given set. Let us take an example. Say your universal set is, suppose your universal set is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is your universal set, and set A is your say 2, 4 and 6. Set A is your 2, 4 and 6. Then therefore A complement, it is denoted by the symbol, complement symbol is just a dash mark on the above. Okay, then complement of set A is the remaining element of the universal set other than the given set. That is your 1, 3, 5, 7 and 8. So A complement is the remaining element of your universal set. Okay, clear? So this is the theoretical part. In my next video you will get the various important questions that I will discuss related to these topics that today I have explained. Okay, bye.